Hi there, today we're exploring the coospider-repta 60W UV Sanitizer Light, a powerful and portable ultraviolet cleaning solution. This lamp uses advanced 254 nm UVC technology to sanitize spaces up to 600 square feet with 99.99% effectiveness in just 30 minutes. It features a 3-gear timer with options for 15, 30, or 60 minutes, easily controlled by remote or button. The 360-degree coverage ensures every corner of your room is thoroughly disinfected without harsh chemicals. Designed for safety, it emits warning beeps before activation, reminding you to leave the room during use. Plus, its quiet operation and remote control can penetrate walls, so you can operate it without exposure to UV rays. Remember to keep humans, pets, and plants away from the light while it's working for safe use. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.